welcome back to our channel Coding Solutions. In the last video, we discussed about what is Python, why Python, the theory parts. So now in this video, we are going to implement something. Let's write a first Python program, a simple program. So let's write print 10. Suppose print 10. I made a mistake here. Print 10. Let's run it. The output is also 10. Let's see 10.5. The output also 10.5. So we have taken an integer value. Integer value means 10 and a float value also. The point values are float. 10.5 is a float value. By the way, I am running this on Spider. You can run this on Jupyter and any other online compiler as you wish. There are many online compilers, but there are many interfaces where you can run. I like Spider, so I'm running on it. So let's check coding solutions. Let's see what happens. See, I will give you an error. See, coding solutions. It's a string. So it's a name. Name is a string. So we should give an inverted commas. Where is it? Let's check again. Yeah, it's coming coding solutions. So we can do another thing. Print A. Suppose print A. Let's see. See coding solutions and A. Okay, done. So by this we complete this video. Just a basic how to write a Python program. Just a basic beginners thing. It's it. We finished the video. Hope you like the video and subscribe. From tomorrow we will go to the depth. We will see how we can construct a Python program. And from basics, from slowly doing things, doing the basic steps, we can implement some high programs. We will have it in the playlist day by day. I will be uploading videos for you. Thank you.